In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred templates in Canva. If you've ever favorited a template and wondered where it went, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where those saved gems live so you can jump back into your designs faster. Think of starred templates as your personal shortlist. Anytime you see a template you love in Canva, tapping the star marks it for easy access later. Instead of hunting through search results again, you'll have a dedicated spot that gathers every template you've starred across your projects and browsing sessions. Start from your Canva homepage or dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation. Look for the section labeled Projects. This is your central library for everything you keep in Canva: designs, folders, uploads, and, most importantly for today, your starred items. Go ahead and click on Projects to open it. If your window is small, the sidebar might be minimized. Expanding it will make the project's label easier to spot. Once you're inside Projects, find the area called Your Starred. Click on your starred to open it. This is the unified view where Canva collects all the items you've marked with a star, including the templates you favorited. You should see a grid of thumbnails, each representing something you starred. Templates you saved while browsing will appear here, ready for you to preview or use in a new design. If your list looks long, that's a good sign. You're curating resources that fit your brand and workflow. Thumbnails typically show the template's style at a glance, so you can quickly recognize what you need. Hovering over a thumbnail often reveals quick options in Canva, and opening a starred template will let you start designing right away with that layout. If you don't immediately see a specific template you remember starring, make sure you're in the correct team or workspace, since starred items are tied to the space you were using when you favorited them. A couple of helpful notes as you organize. Starring is a lightweight way to bookmark a template without moving or duplicating anything. It's perfect for keeping seasonal graphics, brand-aligned layouts, or frequently used formats within easy reach. And if the Your Starred view seems sparse, it simply means you haven't starred many templates yet. Keep an eye out for the star icon as you explore Canva's template library. That's all there is to it. Click Projects, then your starred and your saved templates are right at your fingertips. Happy designing!